Good afternoon, dear children. So I hope that you have watched the previous videos and tried to understand about the articles. On my first video, I had explained about the use of the indefinite article, that was a and an. The second video, that was yesterday's video, I have explained the use of the article the, that is the definite article. So now here, today I will be explaining about the places, the nouns before which you are not supposed to use the articles, not required, okay. And some of the cases you will see here that they do not always require the use of the articles. But again, sometimes they do require according to the sentence, according to the meaning that the sentence is providing. So accordingly you have to use the articles, okay. Now let us start with the first point, okay. So where do we do not place the articles? Now before demonstrative words, remember what are demonstrative words? This, that, these, those. These are the four demonstrative words before which or after which I will not place any article, right? Now suppose I say this pen, right? I have given a specific pen. I am talking about this pen. So that means now between this and pen, I do not need any article. As we have studied earlier that before a noun we are supposed to place the article, right? Now when I say this pen, so that means the between this and pen, I do not need to place any article. So when I say this pen means that particular pen I am talking about, right? If I say those boys, okay, now again between those and boys I do not need to place any article. So I am referring to those boys, right? So before the demonstrative words I am not supposed to place any article. Then before the possessive, okay, now possessive, I hope that you remember, your pencil, his pencil, her pen, their book. So again you see when I use his pencil, okay, so that means between his and pencil I am not supposed to use any article, right? So that means in between these two words there will be no articles. Though there is a noun pencil, but still article is not required. So before all the possessive words we are not supposed to place, and means after all the possessive words we are not supposed to place any article, right? Then about the quantity words. Now you have studied in adjectives that or the determiners chapter when we were studying the quantity words like some, many, much. So if I say much rice, so again you see between much and rice I do not need any article whether it is a, an or the, right? So that means after these quantity words and before noun I am not supposed to use any articles, right? Then the numbers, after the numbers, give me one pencil, give me 3 pencils. So when I say 3 pencils, so that means after 3 and before pencils I am not supposed to use any article, right children? Because as it is, you know that article a, an refers to singular only, though the refers to your plural as well as singular, okay? So I am not going to use any article after all these demonstrative, possessive, quantity or the number words, right? Then you see about the abstract ideas, okay. Now we have the abstract nouns when we talk about that. So you have truth, honesty, knowledge. So before these words normally we do not use. But when we talk specifically of that particular person or anybody's, when we are talking about the abstract noun, then only in certain cases we will be placing, okay. Knowledge is good for all. So that is a general we are talking about. The knowledge that you acquire every day is good for you. So now I am talking about one particular, the knowledge that you are acquiring every day, okay. So when I specify it, when I mention it, that knowledge, which knowledge I am talking about, everyday's knowledge, so then again it is a specific use. Okay, so before that abstract noun I will be using the article the. Otherwise, in general, when I am talking, knowledge is good for all. Okay, honesty is the best policy. So the honesty of Ajit was commendable. So now again I am referring here the honesty of Ajit. That means one particular person's honesty is commendable. Commendable means where you can praise that person. Okay. So here now abstract ideas, where in general if I am talking, then I will not use any article. But when I am talking specifically, then I have to use article, right? Then before uncountable nouns. Now uncountable nouns, you have your water, rice, these are uncountable. So give me some water. Do we say like that? No. So we do not use before any uncountable nouns, right? Then again general use in plural forms. Okay. Now again here also we will be not using when we are using generally. Boys are normally very smart. Okay, I am not going to say the boys. Boys are normally very smart because I am using it in general way. Okay, but when I say the boys of class 7th F will be going out in the field, so that means I am referring to a particular group of boys. So that time I will be using the. Otherwise, when I am using in general, so I am not supposed to use before those class of common nouns, right? Then the people's name, like here if I am naming someone Ajit, I don't say Ajit or the Ajit or an Ajit. Okay, I will say Ajit. Directly I will be using the name. I am not going to use any article in front of anybody's name. Okay, then the last one before sports, academic, subjects and games. So there again you see before these words, like when I say before the sports like tennis, I don't say the tennis. But when I mention the tennis ball is too small, okay, the tennis court is too big. So there again I mention before the game because I am talking about the place that I am talking about. Okay, so when in particular I am talking about, that time I will be using. Otherwise, when I am talking about the game, then I am not using any article. Then before any academic subjects like your the English, the physics, I won't be using with that. I like English subject. Okay, so before that I am not going to use any article. Then before any games also, I am not supposed to use any article. So here these are the certain rules, the certain words or the nouns before which we are not supposed to use articles, leaving the second point and the fourth point, where in the general sense we won't be using article, but when we are talking specifically, that time we will be using article. Right, children? Now let us see on certain words before certain nouns we cannot use article. And why we cannot use article? Because there we are using a preposition. Okay. Now you see in this, I travel by train. Now I do not say I travel by a train or I travel by the train. Okay. So I travel by train. So there again when I use this preposition, so by, I am not going to use any article after that or before this noun train. Then you have by bus, on foot, at school, in school, then by air, on holiday, in bed. So before these nouns I am not going to use any articles, right? So I hope that you have understood this. Now here children, with these expressions you see here some fixed expressions before which we have to use the articles. Okay, that is because they are talking about some specific words, specific nouns. Okay, so like here, all the milk has turned sour. So that means the milk which I had, all that milk turned sour. So I have to use the article the. all the milk, whatever milk I was having, all the milk turned sour. Sour means khatta. Okay, dahi jam gaya. Then both the boys left the classroom. Now I am talking about the particular boys here. Okay, like here milk. So particular boys I am talking about. So both the boys left the classroom. Right. Then please give me a few pins. So now here again I am using a few pins. Just make a note of it that few is your quantity word, and after few I did not use any article. Rather I have used the article before my quantity word. Right? So here before a few I have used a few pins. Okay. Then a lot of time was wasted by me. Now again here you see a lot of time. Okay, again I am using it before my quantity word lot. Okay, so here a lot of time was wasted by me. What a thrilling experience. So now again here I am using a thrilling experience. How was the experience? Thrilling. So before this adjective I am using this article a. Then the movie was such a big hit. So now here the movie a big hit. Now here before the adjective I have used a, and here before the noun I have used the. So in these certain cases we will be using the articles required according to the sentence what it demands. Okay. Now let us have a practice of the use of some articles, how we will be placing these articles in these sentences. Right. Now here with these articles we'll fill in. None of us want to be dash engineer. So we are going to fill this with only with the indefinite article a or an. Okay. So now here the word is engineer. Okay. So that means the pronunciation engineer. So here an engineer. Right. Then the captain of the ship was dash 18-year-old boy. How do I pronounce? 18. 18. So that is a vowel sound. So again I am going to use an. Right. Then how much does dash new car cost? New. So that is a consonant sound. So I have to use the article a. Then Italian is dash European language. European. U. How do I pronounce that? E is pronounced as Y-U. So that means since Y is my consonant, so I have to use a European. Right, children? So I hope that you all have understood how to use these articles, and we have to concentrate more on the sounds, the vowel sound and the consonant sound, and we will not see the alphabet that what is being written, rather on the sound how we pronounce, and accordingly we will be using the articles. So I hope that children you have understood this. So please watch the video carefully, go through your text, and then you will be able to understand. So thank you and have a wonderful day.